Now, more news coming in on the situation in Mumbai, and the shops at the municipal markets in Mumbai are operating now on the basis of the odd and even formula from today. However, there are certain guidelines that needs to be followed at all times. Not more than 2 customers will be allowed at one time, and thermal screening of the shopkeepers and sanitization protocol has to be followed. Additionally, the eateries at these municipal markets will continue to remain shut. The civic officials are doing the rounds to curb crowding and check any kind of violations at this point. Let me bring in my colleague Neha, who's joining me live with further updates on this. Neha, from today, we're looking at the shops at the municipal markets in Mumbai, which have remained shut for a very long time. They are going to be reopening with the odd and even basis. Help us understand what are the rules and regulations that have been put in place for the customers and also for the shopkeepers to follow.
Absolutely, Apurva. For the benefit of our viewers, let's tell them that what was open till now were the standalone shops that you can see on the roads. But now from today, inside market areas where the markets are not far from at least 1 or 2 feet away from each other, such market areas are going to be open from today in Mumbai. And there are close to 195 markets in the city where this scenario will be witnessed from today. Now, as you rightly mentioned, the odd and even formula is going to be witnessed in this scenario. And where we are right now is at Crawford Market in Mumbai, an iconic market where people come in here in great numbers to buy grocery and other of their essential items that is expected to be available at lower rates than the market prices. And what we are showing you is a complete market scenario inside one of the lanes of markets which has remained open from today. This is the scenario where we are showing you how shops on the either side of the lane at an alternative basis, that's how they have remained open. And as you can see, the rule that is being asked is that not more than 2 people should be allowed outside one shop. Now we understand that the shopkeepers are telling us they have kept some people to ensure that social distancing is followed. At some shop, markings are also made. But yes, at some time, because when the shop remains popular or when people tend to buy items from that certain shop, they come in great numbers, and that is when certain rush arises. But this is how on one side of the lane the shops remain shut, and on the other side it is open. Earlier there were markings which were made by the BMC in red and blue color to tell, to give an indication of which shops can remain open. But now the shopkeepers tell us that there is some confusion even in that. They are not clear as to how many times they require to keep the shops open. Before I go to a shopkeeper and ask them how it is that they are managing with this whole scenario, let's tell also what the BMC guidelines are. Basically, all shops must have sanitizers ready. They must be wearing masks and gloves all the time. And also at inside a shop also, if it's a bigger shop, not more than 4 people. If it's a smaller shop, not more than 2 people. Two people inside the shop are allowed so that they can accommodate customers. And social distancing must be followed at all times. No kind of crowd or rush is allowed. Sir, आप बताइए, shops तो चालू हो गए हैं. कब से समझा आपको कि आज से आपको ये शॉप चालू करना है? And क्या guidelines मिली आपको भी?
Yesterday what happened, they have marked the shops with red and blue color, but now they have postponed that program, and now they are telling to open a shop, each shop one line after every alternate day, odd and even. So it is good. Let's see now, because there are no customers now.
But are you happy with the kind of scenario that has been made? Do you think that you will be able to control rush, especially?
We will be able to control the rush. We have taken all this sanitizer also, that thermal gun also. We have opened only three gates. One from the main gate, then the second gate is there, and third one on that side. Each and every person is thoroughly checked, and afterward they are given entry inside it.
Apurva, will try to get some other voices also of shopkeepers who are present here. Sir, आप लोग थोड़ा बता रहे थे कि आपकी क्या क्राइटेरिया है, आपकी क्या इश्यूज है, अगर आप बता सकें.
क्राइटेरिया तो ऐसा है कि हम लोग सब चीज़ के लिए तैयार है अभी. और फिलहाल जो भी है देख रहे हैं आप, पूरी मार्केट बंद है और इतने आदमी डिपेंड है मार्केट के ऊपर. सब जो स्टाफ है, जो हम लोग के जो भी है, वो सब घर बैठे आज. तो दिस कैन नॉट बी डन मैम.
पर आप बता रहे थे कि कौन सी शॉप खुली रखनी है, उसमें आपको थोड़ा कुछ प्रॉब्लम था.
रोज के मतलब बातें अलग ही हो रही है. कभी ये शॉप खोलने की बात हो रही है, कभी एक लाइन, कभी 2 लाइन. कोई सुनवाई नहीं है कोई हिसाब से. मतलब प्रोसेस कुछ कोई कोऑर्डिनेशन ही नहीं प्रॉपर आपस में कि क्या हो रहा है, कुछ किसको मालूम ही नहीं.
तो बीएमसी से क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे आप, किस प्रकार की क्लैरिटी?
जो भी प्रोटोकॉल है, जो हम लोग सब फॉलो करने को तैयार है. जो बोलो गेट खोलना है, अगर ऑल्टरनेट हो भी हम लोग एक्सेप्ट करने को तैयार है. सब चीज़ के लिए हम लोग रेडी है. बस थोड़ा कुछ काम चालू है. आज हम लोग सब दुकानों की इतनी 500-600 दुकान है, आप वो हिसाब से देखो कितने आदमी जो काम करते हैं वो आज सब घर बैठे मैम, और सबको भी अगर संभालेंगे तो कितना संभालेगा आदमी। पूरा पैसे उसका वैसे भी पूरा 3-4 महीने बंद थी, पेरिशेबल आइटम्स है, समझा। बीच में आपने देखे फायर भी हो गया था, वो हिसाब से पूरा जो देखना था वो पूरी ये करना है उसको, सब फॉलो करने तैयार है, बट कोई सुनवाई नहीं है।
तो डिमांड क्या है?
डिमांड तो ऐसे है कि उन लोग को बस बंद करो, वो सब तैयार है, जो गेट्स फॉलो करने को तैयार है, सब सैनिटाइजर के साथ में तैयार है, और वॉचमैन रखने को तैयार है, सब फॉलो करने को तैयार है, बट कोई एक परफेक्ट हम लोग को वो ही नहीं मिल रहा है, गाइडेंस ही नहीं है कि क्या करना है एक्चुअली, क्योंकि ऑलमोस्ट पूरी सब जगह तो चालू है। आप देख रहे हैं कि जितने भी शोरूम वोरूम भी है वो भी सब चालू है, ऑल्टरनेट भी सब बाहर भी सब चालू है, मार्केट भी बंद है, हम लोग समझ में नहीं आ रहा है।
So absolutely, Apurva, if I can summarize and tell you what the shopkeepers have told us is basically, yes, it started, which is a good sign, but there must be more guidelines given on which exactly shop requires to be open. They should be given more leeway as to keep the shop open for more hours so that they can continue with the business, and also have measures and ways on how to control crowding, especially when the rush increases. Back to you.
All right, Neha. Many thanks for joining us and giving us those extremely important voices from on ground of the shopkeepers.